Hello friend, welcome you on Lamror Academy. I am Rajendra Lamror. I am telling about the call by reference function in C programming. How the call by reference is working in the C programming, what is the program, how to be passing the reference of the any argument or all the information about. So now we can start the discussion about the call by reference. So in the call by reference, before you going to call by reference, you understand the call by value. So if you do not know, just see my previous tutorial. You can understand the call by, and also you will know the pointer. You can see my pointer tutorial also. Okay, so here a method of passing the argument of the function copy of the address. The argument means here you passing the address of the variable, formal address. So that's the mean whatever we changes done we do on the address, means value will affected whole program, change parameter affected all the program. So using the example I am showing you how the call by reference is working in the C programming, so you can understand very well or easily. So see here I have taken the include std.h, my header file. After I defining one swap function, or after that I function the main function. This is the important. So starting the compilation from the main function are defining inside the std.h. So here I have taken the two integer variable a equal to 100 and b equal to 200. So if you printing the here before swap value of a or b, we printing 100 and 200. After that we have called the function swap, passing the address of a and address of b. Means here we passing the address, but in call by value we are passing the copy of the variable. Okay, this is the difference you should remember. So here we taking the address of x and address of y of value. So in temp int, if temp of star x means whatever value is of star x, address of a star x means 50, putting in the temp. After that we putting the star of x equal to star of y, means 50 means 100. Okay, sorry, 100 we putting in the temp. In 100 we putting the 200. So after that the value of address a equal to 200, value of address b equal to 200, and value of temp equal to 100. Okay, after that we passing the address of a but star y value putting the temp, means after that here temp value is 100, or address of a value is 200 and address of b value is 100. So if you printing the value of here star of x star y, we printing the 200 and 100. Okay, so here we have changed the value on the address, means after the swap function the address value will printing the a or b, also will printing 200 and 100. So now I am showing the using example whatever I have told is the correct or not. So you can see before the range function we putting the swap function value of a equal to 100 and value of b equal to 200. After that we taking the int variable 100 and 200. So variable of a and b inside the function printing 200 and 100. Okay, after the main function swap function is completed, after the swap value also become the 200 and 100, because we have changed the value on the address. So whenever position will be take in the program, always printing 200 and 100 changes value. Thank you friends, I hope you understand the between difference of call by reference and call by value after watching the both the tutorials. Thank you friends. Still you have any doubts, comment, I will try to reply as soon. Thank you friends. If you watching more tutorials about C, subscribe my channel.